Hello everyone, welcome to my Car Review 2025 official channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Outside, there's a similarity to the Cupra Terramar and Skoda Kodiaq in the shape, but Tayron design highlights include the sculpted bonnet, high-mounted LED front headlights, LED light bar, large front grille, slightly squared wheel arches, and the debut on a non-electric model of illuminated front and rear badges. Inside, the Tayron's dashboard looks more modern than the Kodiaq's and feels more premium than the Terramar's. The full-width, horizontal design is only broken by the 12.9 inches infotainment screen, with the instruments taken care of by the 10.3 inches screen in front of the driver. In the center, there's a tall console, with plenty of stowage, plus a circular rotary control for the stereo and driving modes. The driving position is comfortable and multi-adjustable, meaning most will get comfortable. We particularly like the supportive sports seats fitted to the R-Line e-hybrid we drove. Talking of the Tayron's infotainment system, it's pretty much identical to what we've tried before in the facelift Golf and the new Tiguan. Highlights include the fact that the main climate control and heated seat buttons are permanently displayed at the bottom of the screen. Sadly, you still seem to have to cycle through too many menus to get where you need to go, and we prefer the Kodiaq's rotary controls for the ventilation too. Move to the back, and the news is just as good, as the rear bench slides, to increase either rear legroom or boot space as needed. Space is good in the third row of seats, although like the Kodiaq, the plug-in hybrid version is only available as a 5-seater, which is a shame. Even as a 7-seater, the Tayron's boot space rivals the 7-seater version of the Kodiaq at 345 litres. This rises to 850 litres with all the seats folded. Choose the Tayron e-hybrid, and that drops to 705 litres, thanks to the battery under the floor. The Tayron is offered with a 148 horsepower, 1.5-litre ETSI mild hybrid petrol, 202 horsepower and 263 horsepower versions of the 2.0-litre TSI petrol with four-wheel drive, and a 148 horsepower 2.0-litre TDI diesel. However, Volkswagen is predicting 49% of Tayrons will be the 202 horsepower and 268 horsepower versions of the plug-in 1.5-litre TSI e-hybrid. With an all-electric range of 76 miles with both, this puts it on a collision course with its Cupra and Skoda sisters, although this Volkswagen is more expensive. More importantly, these PHEV versions can be charged quickly at up to 11 kilowatts. We got to try two Tayron versions, the 201 horsepower e-hybrid in the most popular R-Line spec, and the 1.5 ETSI in elegant spec. 201 horsepower might not seem a lot, but the e-hybrid's performance is surprisingly willing considering its near 2-ton weight, and thanks to the engine and electric motor working together, the official 8.6-second 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration figure seems believable. On the flip side, we felt we had to work the 1.5 ETSI hard to get it to perform, with its 9.4-second 0 to 62 miles per hour acceleration time. We've tried the Tayron with adaptive and passive suspension setups. As expected, adaptive is best, although we found there weren't many differences to the drive modes. Body roll and the ride around town are better resolved, with precise steering. If you want a Tiguan with more seats, the Tayron is the default choice, as it's good to drive and usefully practical. However, most will be e-hybrid plug-in versions, which lack the extra seat. Positive, good to drive, classy and modern interior design, 7-seater versions offer useful extra flexibility and a big boot. Standard equipment, 18 inches alloy wheels, automatic climate control, multifunction steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors front and rear, 12.9 inches infotainment system, LED headlights and tail lights. Engines, petrol, 201 horsepower 2.0, 262 horsepower 2.0, diesel, 148 horsepower 2.0, mild hybrid, 148 horsepower 1.5, plug-in hybrid, 201 horsepower 1.5, 268 horsepower 1.5. Equipment grades, Life, Match, Elegance, R-Line, R-Line Edition. Transmissions, 7-speed automatic, 6-speed automatic. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, Please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.